Volume-type automatic multifunctional flow control valve TMF7783 is independently developed patent product of RX. We have got the patents from the US, Russia, India, South Korea, Mexico, and Taiwan. The maximum water treatment capacity of this valve is 18 cubic meters per hour. It is adapted downflow for regeneration, can be widely used in ion exchange equipment, boiler softening water system, RO pretreatment system, household softening system, and other areas. It uses microcomputer control. Together with the humanized operation panel, the parameters can be set according to the practical situations. Realize fully automatic regeneration. There are two sets valve cores in the valve body, inlet valve core and outlet valve core. Water inlet valve core controls water flowing in. Water outlet valve core controls water flowing out. Inlet valve core and outlet valve core all adopt ceramic moving disc, which is high hardness and flatness. During one cycle of relative rotating between moving disc and fixed disc, which is highly laminated, as there are different blind holes and through holes on discs. By changing of relative angles, water inlet valve could be realized three states, namely raw water entering into top and bottom strainers, injectors. Water outlet valve could control the two states of water flowing out from water outlet and drain outlet, so as to realize these five states, named service, backwash, brine and slow rinse, fast rinse and brine refill. This unique principle hermetic hand fish makes the product have reasonable structure, be economic, durable, and have good adaptability and alternative. From appearance, the product mainly includes electronic ball valve, brine line connector, adapter, injector, water inlet, base, flow meter, water outlet, drain outlet, and control boards, etc. Control valve is the core part of the water treatment softening system, separately connected with system from drain outlet, water outlet, water inlet, rising tank, riser pipe, and brine tank. Riser pipe should connect to the top and bottom strainers. Installation. First step. Control valve's position and rising refill. First, ensures operation direction. Put the O-ring to the relative position of the valve. Screw the valve to the empty rising tank, and then adjust the rising tank direction so that the control panel will directly face the user. Screw out of the valve. Connect the water strainer and the riser pipe with glue, and put it in the middle of the tank. The distance from the top of the riser pipe to the mouth of the tank is between 2 to 5 mm. In order to avoid the damaging from the O-ring, the outer circle of the riser pipe should be chamfered. Plug the riser pipe with a stopper. Put the funnel in the connector of rising tank. Put the resin into the tank until it reaches 65% to 70% of the tank height. Attention! Avoid flow queue get into the tank during refilling. Remove funnel and stopper. Take out the top threaded strainer connector from spare parts bag and use 5 pieces of tapping screws to fasten it in the valve body. Screw the top strainer tightly into valve body. Put the O-ring into the base. Then screw valve body to rising tank tightly. Second step, pipeline installation. In order to facilitate maintenance, we advise you to adopt 3 ball valves, each for water inlet, outlet, and bypass pipeline. Connect the system's inlet with valve's inlet. Install inlet valve into inlet pipeline. Attention! If the pressure of inlet water is more than 0.6 MPa, there must be a pressure-reducing valve before the inlet. Screw flow meter connector into outlet of valve body. Please check the washer should be put inside of the connector. Put the flow meter bolt into the socket. If it is necessary, rotate flow meter nut in order to adjust the position of the socket. Install sampling valve and bore valve in the outlet pipeline. Install bypass valve. It is easy for trial running, exchange filter material, and tank test. Put drain line flow control into drain outlet. Use UPVC pipe or hose to connect with valve drain outlet. Attention! Valve should be higher than drain outlet, and the distance between them should not be too long. Connect the brain line connector with electric ball valve tightly. The connector of the pipe should be sealed or non-leakage, otherwise may affect the expected results of working flow. Never connect a drain outlet pipe with sewer. Between them, there must be some space, in case the sewage is siphoned off the system. If sewage is to be reused, it could be put in some kind of container. Meanwhile, there must be some space between them. Installation of side-mounted type. First step, control valves installation and resin refill. Put the bottom strainer on the bottom of tank and tighten it with bottom connector. Put the funnel in the connector or resin tank. Put the resin into the tank until it reaches at 65% to 70% of the tank height. Attention! Avoid the floccules to get in the tank during filling. Remove the funnel. Install top strainer and side-mounted connector. Then tight the control valve onto side-mounted connector. Attention! If valve's inlet outlet improperly located, it could be adjusted by the steel fork. Second step, pipeline installation. In order to facilitate maintenance, we advise you to adopt 3 ball valves, each for water inlet, outlet, bypass pipeline. Connect the system's inlet with valve's inlet, and install inlet valve into inlet pipeline. Attention! If the pressure of inlet water is more than 0.6 MPa, there must be a pressure-reducing valve before the inlet. Screw flow meter connector into outlet of valve body. Please check the washer should be put inside of the connector. Put the flow meter bolt into the socket. If it is necessary, rotate flow meter nut in order to adjust the position of the socket. Install sampling valve and bore valve in the outlet pipeline. The connector of the pipe should be sealed and non-leakage, otherwise may affect the expected results of working flow. Install bypass valve. It is easy for trial running, exchange filter material, and tank test. Install frame to fix pipeline and bear its gravity. Put drain line flow control in drain outlet. Use UPVC pipe or hose to connect with valve drain outlet. Attention! Valve should be higher than drain outlet, and the distance between them should not be too long. Connect brain line connector with electronic ball valve tightly.